Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove frames from your videos in Clipchamp. If you have recently added the frames to your videos and don't know how to remove it, this tutorial is for you. So let's dive right in. Find the Clipchamp app, now open it. Now choose the video where you have added the frame to. Now here you can find the option of overlay. Simply tap on it. Now here you can see the frame has been added to your timeline track. Tap on it. Then scroll to your right. And here you can find the option of delete. Go ahead and select it. Now here you can see the frame has been removed from your video. And that's it. This is how you can remove the frames from your video in Clipchamp. Now enjoy making your videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.